The National Electrical Code, specifically Section 225.18, addresses overhead wires. This section states that conductors must have a clearance of not less than 18 feet, which is 5.49 meters above the final grade at the lowest point of sag under normal conditions. Furthermore, if conditions necessitate mounting conductors on crossarms or the crossarms on supporting structures at a height less than 18 feet, or 5.49 meters, the clearances must be increased. This increase ensures that the level of protection against contact is equivalent to that provided by the standard 18-foot, or 5.49 meter, clearance for conductors. The NEC 2007 National Electrical Safety Code, or NESC Rule 232, provides guidance on overhead electrical supply and communications lines, specifically focusing on clearances above ground and structures. This rule mandates that conductors must maintain a minimum clearance of 18 feet, which is 5.49 meters, above the finished grade at all points. However, there are exceptions to this rule under certain conditions. Firstly, when it is necessary to cross over roads and railroads, clearances should conform to Rule 233 of the NESC. Secondly, in urban areas, clearances less than 18 feet, or 5.49 meters, may be permitted for distances not exceeding 100 feet, or 30.5 meters, provided that the conductors are not less than 16 feet, or 4.88 meters, above the finished grade. Thirdly, at crossings of other lines, the higher voltage line must meet the clearances specified in Table 232.1 of the NESC. It is also very important to keep in mind that local jurisdictions may impose additional requirements for overhead wire clearances, potentially exceeding those outlined in the NEC or NESC. The specific clearance requirements can also fluctuate based on the voltage of the overhead wires. Therefore, it is crucial to always consult the most recent edition of both the NEC and the NESC for the most accurate and detailed information. The NEC and NESC are updated regularly to reflect changes in technology, safety practices, and industry standards. Compliance with these codes is essential for ensuring the safety of workers, the public, and electrical systems. Furthermore, understanding the specific requirements related to overhead wire clearances is paramount for preventing accidents and ensuring the reliable operation of electrical infrastructure. Proper installation and maintenance of overhead wires are vital for minimizing the risk of contact with vehicles, equipment, and personnel. The consistent application of these safety standards helps to mitigate potential hazards and maintain a safe electrical environment. By adhering to the clearance requirements outlined in the NEC and NESC, individuals and organizations can contribute to the prevention of electrical accidents and ensure the safety and reliability of electrical systems. Moreover, staying informed about the latest revisions and updates to these codes is crucial for maintaining compliance and promoting best practices in electrical safety.